Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
So today in this video, for the first video of the new year, I am going to be giving you a mini tutorial on how I create my vision board for 2025. So if you do like this video, be sure to let me know by giving it a like, comment and share. And if you want to see more of my face and more of my content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, further chit chat, I'm going to get on to the video and give you like a voiceover tutorial. Like, you're going to get to see it properly in detail so you know exactly what to do. Now you're going to see all the details so you know exactly what to do to create your own vision board. Obviously you're going to have to use your own materials, but these are the materials I'm using and how I do it and how I make it look cute. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. To my Pinterest. Sorry, I don't even know why I'm kicking it now. But yeah, anyway, so welcome to my Pinterest. So I created like a board just full of things that I thought were really cute to put on my 2025 vision board. I did it on Pinterest because I feel like the pictures are more aesthetic and you can tell I was going for a theme here. Yeah, and I found a lot of pins that really related to what I wanted to aim for throughout the year, and the pictures are just more aesthetic, as I have previously just said. But yes, yeah, so this is like my Pinterest board full of all my ideas for 2025, aspirations, goals. Yeah, so if I can see it, I can vision it, and I can believe in it. So what you're going to do is create a vision board on Pinterest. I really recommend that. And then what you're going to do is simply start to download them. So you go into those three dots there, press download image, and download them all to your files. I did forget to say that you can only do this once they're all, well, you can do it when they're not pinned, but I like to do it once they are all pinned and just select the ones so I can see them all together and see how it looks and see if I need to add any more. I would say to aim, I don't know how many pins you want to do and how many pictures you want, but I think I did around 60. I'm saying that and I genuinely don't know if that's true, but yeah, I did around 60. So you just click on the three dots, download, and download them to your files, and keep doing that for every single one of them. Yes, every single one of them, because I want every single one of them. So yeah. That's how we did it. A key tip while they are downloading, make sure that they are downloaded as PNG or JPEGs. I had a few of them that were downloading a bit weird. Yeah, because it's just a lot easier. It's an easier file to convert and to use on Canva. I mean, obviously you can use different file versions if you prefer, but JPEG and PNG are just so much easier to use. I also like to do a mix of quotes and images and just aesthetic shots just to balance out the page and make it look prettier. So do whatever you feel more comfortable to download, but make sure you're centering around your goals and what kind of things you want to do. So you can cover different themes such as travel, friends, life, family, finances, personal goals, whatever. Make sure it's in line with what you want to do. Don't just do it just because it's what somebody else is doing. Don't just copy somebody else's Pinterest board or vision board. It's not good. You do what you need to do for yours. Welcome to Canva. So for those of you that don't know, Canva is like this free design tool that you can use to create any kind of template. So I'm not sponsored by it. So what I'm doing, I've used a desktop wallpaper template. I'll put the dimensions on screen so you know like what to look for, or you can just create it yourself using the dimensions. I'm doing different sized frames because I don't want it to look boring. I want them to all be different sizes and fit perfectly on the page. I'm a bit like of a perfectionist with things like this, so I like things to be looking perfect. Anyway, so what I've done is I've done like a big circle in the middle for like where I'm gonna put like my 2025, and then I've done a few in the corners. Just I don't even know why I did it like that. But I did some in the corner just to kind of get my bearings right, so I know okay roughly how many numbers I'm gonna need. I've done them different sizes, so as you can see, that one is a bit bigger than the regular square, and it's like a bit of a rectangle. Doing different sizes here, it makes it just look a little bit more pretty. and just not generic. And then what I also did, you're gonna see like I'm just like making them look a little bit fitted. So some are overlapped, some are just like regularly placed in, because I think overlapping them makes it look more like a collage, but then just stacking them line by line, it doesn't look as cute, do you know what I mean? And different sizes and shapes makes it look cute and pretty. So what I also did, I'd got some circles out for the quotes, because I like my quotes and phrases or like little sayings just to be in little circles, because I think it looks cute. So yeah, this is how I did it. Okay, so once all the frames are all done, you can see the layout, you can see the vision looks cute. So I decided to put my 2025 in the middle, because yeah, something's boundary in it. And then what I decided to do was go in my quotes first and just put my quotes into places. And you can really do this however you want to. You don't have to do it exactly how I'm doing it, but all you're going to do is to upload your files, you're going to go into camera. You see on the side it says uploads. So you click on uploads and then upload files, and then go to wherever you have them in your folder, upload them through that, and then voila, that is it. So then I just started placing everything on my Canva vision board, and I decided to make it all cool pretty. So you can tell there's a kind of like a theme I'm going for. So certain things have been in one corner, certain things are in the other. So like on my holiday themed kind of things are in one corner, travel, lol, that is the same thing, but holiday travel in one corner, any like business related things, YouTube content in another corner, personal development in another corner, because I like to have it looking a certain way. Yeah, I just had fun making my vision board. I did end up modifying it in the end. So these pictures that I'm using here, they're not actually everything that I included in my own actual one. This is mostly just for the video, but like it's more or less the same, but I did tweak it quite a lot actually. I didn't use the same quotes, same pictures that I have on my laptop right now, but anyway, you get the gist of what I've kind of gone for and how to do it. It's very easy to do. You can literally do this in your spare time, and this usually took me about 10-15 minutes. So yeah, it doesn't have to take a long time. It's free as well, and it's quite fun to do. I can't lie to you. If you want to print this out as well, you can do that as well. If you go on like free prints or like Snapfish, you can print this out in a different size frame and print it out and make it look real cute. Put it on your wall, put it in your desk, wherever you want to put it. It's up to you, but yeah, congratulations, we have completed the 2025 vision board for this video. So what I then went to do was get washi tape. So I typed in on the side of the Canva kind of word has gone out my head, dashboard, and just typed in washi tape and just placed it where I'm placing it on the screen right now. I'm zooming in a bit more just so that you can see exactly where I'm putting it and how I'm doing things, just so it's not easy boring me for the whole video. But yeah, just getting washi tape, placing it just to make it look more decorative and cute. Don't that look so much better? Come on, don't lie, that looks so much better. And I got like a tan brown kind of colour because it blends in with the background of that next picture, and it complements the pink really well, and it's cute. But then I went back and I was like, you know what, I don't want that just boring 2025 in the middle, so I changed it and got this one because it's cuter. So I went back on Pinterest, downloaded the image, and why is it lagging? Yeah, I downloaded the image and then went to my uploads like so, upload file, you're getting like a real demonstration here of the whole thing happening. And then I found it in my files, which is currently not on the screen for whatever reason. I think it just lagged when I was doing this, but I went to my files and selected the file because it's trying to protect my files in it. But then added that image into the, oh yeah, I forgot to say, when you're adding your pictures and you just drag them across, so you can click on the frame and click on the picture if you want, but I just drag them across because it makes it's so much easier. And we can resize as well. Look, I'm resizing to fit the frame because I like them central. I'm sorry, I can't have them not central. It looks weird. Don't like the way it looks when things aren't central and proportioned right. It don't look good. I don't like it. So anyways, here's another washi tape. I'm just adding on. Yeah. Sorry, this looks so cute, man. Oh, I'm so proud of this one, man. It don't even look like this anymore now, but it's cute. Okay, now that we're all washi taped out, I think it's the last one I'm gonna add on. Yeah, they look good. Oh, and then one more over here just to make it all look good. Yeah, perfecto. Anyway, so now that all the washi tapes are all done, yeah, I decided to search for something else. So we're gonna search for scrapbook. Well, I wanted scribble. I didn't want scribble. I wanted scrapbook stickers. So we're gonna get some scrapbook stickers to make it look more aesthetic. Because what? There's something missing from this. And we're gonna make it look even prettier. So I don't have Canva Premium. Believe it or not, I don't have Canva Premium. I really should, but I don't. Anyway, but if someone pay for it for me, like, because I don't have this disposable money right now. But anyways, so I got the heart, a scrapbook heart, just add it there just because it looks cute, and just to hide the gaps in the corners. Can you see that corner overlap? Yeah, look, there's another corner overlap there that really bugs me. Like, it's not blended it perfectly, and it just it irks me. So I decided to cover them up with hearts to make it look cute, because ew. But I didn't want too many hearts. So what I did was I found something else to cover it up. I think I got rose. Is it rose? Yeah, we got rose. And we just added it up to fill in the gap because it was just not giving. The overlaps were just jarring me, I can't even lie. But once that was all done, we were finished and ready. Now, to export is very easy. You just click the share in the corner, so the top right hand corner, you click share. And then I decided, okay, wait, I went back and renamed it. My bad, forgot I did that. 2025 vision board. So the share in the right hand corner, and then press the download, and then make sure it's PNG download, and then just press download, and that's literally it. So then I went into my actual desktop settings, and upload photo is what I clicked. I found the photo, I selected it, I added it to my desktop background, and voila, finito. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know by giving it a like, comment and share. And if you want to see more of my face, more of my content throughout the year, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. As I'm sure you probably realised, I am posting only on Saturdays now because quality over quantity in it. So be sure to come back next time for another video, and I shall see you soon. Adios.
Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running it.